We want to solve this Harvard MIT Math Tournament problem of 2018 team round problem number 2. It says this is the number this greater than, less than, or equal to 50. Okay, so you can use, I released many other problems of Stanford, Harvard, MIT Olympiads. You can use the card on top of my video, and please subscribe and turn on notification to have next videos, because every day I release problems from different countries, Olympiads, Harvard, MIT, Stanford. And if you had any question about the solution, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. So we want to consider this. As you can see, one important thing is telescoping rule we want to use here. Telescoping rule, and here we want to use telescoping product because we have it for sum and also for product. And this idea is useful from qualifying level of each country round 1 up to IMO international level, the hardest level. So here we have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2, and if we consider it 4, 6, 20, 18. So if we add, we say 1 plus 1 over 2 times 1 plus 1 over 4 is what? What thing we don't have? If you consider 1 plus 1 over 2, we know that it is less than or greater 1 over 1 over 3. We will see which one is greater. 1 over 1 is the same in both of them. So if I consider this one is greater, and why we want to do this? Because if we consider this 1 plus 1 over 2 and consider the next part 1 plus 1 over 3, 1 plus 1 over 4, and 2 the last one, and we can also start from 1 plus 1 over 1 to have all numbers, 1 plus 1 over 2018. So it will be what? Let me erase this part. So this part will be what? It will be 1, 1, 2 over 1 times this part 3 over 2. This part is 4 over 3. This part is 5 over 4. And the last one is 2019 over 2018. Okay, so we can cancel this, cancel this, cancel, and cancel. It will be 2019. Now, if we check, we see, okay, each of them, this one, and the next one, let me show, for example, with green, this per, and this one with the previous one. We will see 1 plus 1 over 1 is greater than 1 plus 1 over 2. The first one is greater. 1 plus 1 over 3 is greater than 1 plus 1 over 4. And the last one, 1 plus previous this one. 1 plus 1 over 2017 is greater than 1 plus 1 over 2018. So if we call this one A, and the product here, we will see B is greater than A. And what? AB is what? Is 2019. We want to find A, so we say, okay, A is less than B. So we can say, because A is less than B, if we multiply both sides by B, B squared, or A, because we want to find A, we can multiply both sides by A, AB, A squared. So by considering this, A squared is less than AB, which is 2019. So now we want to say A and 50, which of them is greater? So easily we can say that it is less than 2,500 and is equivalent that A is strictly less than 50. So we've proved that A, this part, is less than this part. This A is less than 50. Okay, we've solved this problem. Okay, and for having next videos, subscribe my YouTube channel now and turn on notification and like my video. And you can use my playlist. There are many problems, other videos I released. Also, if you had any question about the solution of this problem or other problems, as I said before, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in description and comments.